Hi, this video I'm going to solve Passever Mathematics June series 2021. So the scale drawing show the position, the town R on a map. So the scale is 1 centimeter. This is represent 5 kilometers. So town M is 36 kilometer on a bearing of 163. So 36 kilometer bearing 163 degree. Okay, so how long should we draw it on the map? So we divide by 5 kilometer. So we got 7.2 centimeter long for the map. So the bearing is 163. So here from the north, here is 90 degree. Okay, you can use a protector starting from the north, make it to 163. But since I don't have, I'll use my ruler. So 90 to 63, so we got 27 here. Okay, we need 7.2. Okay, here is 7.2. Okay, so this is 7.2 centimeter or 36 kilometer. Okay, a railway track 36 kilometer long is to be built a straight line of R to M. Okay, the track cost per meter. So let us change it first into meter. 36 kilometer we multiply by 1000, so you got 36,000 meter. Okay, the cost per meter is 1070. So 1070 we multiply by 36,000. So let us write it here. We got 4 euros to pay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 107 we multiply by 36. So we got as 3852 and 4 zeros. Okay, 15 people can build 60 meter of track per day. Okay, so the total track is 36 kilometer. So first, let's calculate the daily. So here is the work. Where is it? Here. Work force factor. So if 15 people can build 60, how about 45? So we make it 45 people. We divide by 15 people. So it will build faster 3 times faster. So daily, the new daily as before is 60 meters, but now is we multiply by 3. So 60 meter per day, we multiply by 3, so they can get 180 meter per day. Okay, and we just divided, this is meter. So the total track is 36,000 meter. We divided by 180 meter per day. So we got as 200 days. Here is 200. Okay, trains will travel the 36 kilometer at average speed of 75. Calculate the time. So time speed, we remember just this is the distance, speed, and time. So to find the speed, we got distance, we divide by the to find the time, this is the time. So distance we divide by the speed. So distance is 36 kilometer. We divided by 75 kilometer per hour. So the unit are equal kilometer an hour. So you can just calculate it. So 36 we divided by 75. So you got as 0.48 hour. So this is as an hour. Give your answer in minutes. Okay, in minutes, so 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we got 0.8, we multiplied by 60. Multiplied by 60. So we got as 28.8 minutes. 28.8 minutes. Okay, town K is on a bearing of 312 degree from R. Work out the bearing of R from K. Okay, so here is the bearing. Here is 163. Okay, here is 90 degree. Let's make it again 90 degree. Okay, here is for 180 degree. Here is 270 degree. So we got K on the bearing of 312. So 312 here, so we got 312. We minus by 270. So this is 2. So we got, 31. We minus it by 30 by 27. So we got as 42. We need 42 from here. Okay, 180 minus. Okay, so I don't have the protector, so you have to use it. So here is 180 minus it by 42. 8, 7 is 3, 138. 138. Okay, there it is. Here is from R, total from here is 312. So R and this is K. Okay, now is the opposite. Work out the bearing of R from K. Okay, here K. So let us make a straight line to the north. Okay, here it is. Okay, you can use the protector or we can just use the rule that we got. So here is 1 point is 360. So you minus by 312. Here we got 1 circle. So total angle of 1 circle is equal to 360. So we can just 360 minus by 312. 360 minus by 312. So here we got 48. Here is 48. Okay, here the total of the angle are equal to 180. So let's say this is x. So x plus by 48 equal to 180 degree. So the angle of K, this is north to the R, is 132 degree. So the bearing, from of R from K is 132 degree. Okay, number 4. Write down the coordinates of point A. Okay, this is point A. So we write it starting from x. So this is the x equal to -2. And y equal to 4. So the point is -2.4. Find the gradient of line y. So the gradient, which is m, this is y2 minus by y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we got a here. So let us find the coordinate of b, which is 6.0. Okay, we got it. Let's say this is A, B, and B. Or we can make it Y, B. It doesn't matter for the coordinate as long as we got two coordinates. So you can decide which one is the Y1, Y2, X1, X2. Okay, I will write it as A and B. So A we got 4 minus by 0, we divided by X negative 2 minus by 6. So we got 4 divided by negative 8, which the answer is negative 0.5. So here negative 0.5. Okay, write down the equation of the line. Okay, the equation is, here is the formula M. We got the gradient negative 0.5. So negative 0.5x. What is our y-intercept? Here is the y-intercept. So when the line cut the y-axis, so that is equal to 3. So here is plus by 3. Draw a line that is perpendicular to the line L and pass through the point of A. Okay, point of A. Okay. So we need to make it perpendicular to make it 90 degree. Okay, here it is. Perpendicular. They are 90 degree. Okay, the line cross the x-axis at the point of C. Okay, here is C. Mark point C on the grid and write down the coordinate. So the coordinate is negative 4.0. So here is negative 4.0. Okay, fine. By measuring the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Okay, we got ABC here. Here is it. Okay, ABC, the perimeter. Okay, first we got here is 4 0. Okay, we got 10. First is 10. We plus by, we just measure it. Okay, this is 4.5. 4.5. Then A to B is equal to, okay, 8.9. Okay, so we got the number. So we make sure it use a ruler. Then we can just add. We got 10 plus by 4.5. And then we plus by 8.9. So here is the answer is 23.4. Okay, there it is. Thank you.